I am going to make this quick. I removed the head, and the goal was to remove the head so that I can replace it with another head, because the ticking nose was coming from the top, not from the pistons. Because right now the pistons are really strong, and the pistons are holding really, really, really good. But one thing I noticed that as I was removing the head, the timing guard started just to breaking off themselves. Like this one, the timing guard just broke off, and you can see here, it's literally broke off. So could the ticking nose came from the fact that the timing guide broke off? That could also be the issue. And the top also broke off right over here. You can see the top also broke off just like that. Made the chain maybe to get loose a little bit or something, but that's about it. That's what I see, and I do see some pieces right inside. I do see the pieces inside. Unfortunately, you can't really see. I don't have a better camera to show you, but there are some pieces inside there. The plastic pieces inside the timing guide. So I don't like working this way. I prefer working with the motor out of the chassis. If I get enough energy, I probably will remove the whole thing and work outside. I don't like working this way. Now that I'm at this stage, I may just end up using the other block that's right there, that block, which the one that we have CNC and all that. But that one we know it was mixing oil and coolant, and yeah, can also see there is a mix of oil and coolant. Look at here how the liquid inside is black, and look at this one is blue. So supposed to be black there, supposed to be blue as well. So that means the head gasket cover that I used was not good, or maybe this one, the deck was not properly done. Those are the speculations. The deck might not have been done, or the head gasket could have also been damaged. And I was seeing a lot of coolant outside as well, and I can see this is not sealed. You see that? This was not sealed, and it was letting the coolant to go out. And just the way I'm looking at it, yeah. Yeah. So that's also another issue. You can see the burning here. So the coolant was coming out, and there is a lot of blue marks on the transmission. That's because this side was not sealed properly.